Well guys, here's something cool. Check out this old claw for a logging truck. Part of an old boat motor sitting beside it. Look at the size of that chain, man. Holy jeez. Somebody did some welding on there. Check out this old girl. She's been sitting there a while. Let's have a look at her. It's an old Ford. That's pretty cool, eh? You can tell it hasn't moved in a long time. Let's go have a look inside. Oh. Check that out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Lots of controls here. Did have a heating system at one time. That's pretty cool. Oh. Go check out this old truck sitting up here. Can't tell when it was last on the road. That used to be a logging truck. That poor old clutch has seen better days. Big old transmission sitting there. Chevy C65. Actually don't look like it's in too bad a shape. They're open. Yeah. Engine primer. Wonder if we can see mileage. Nice core drill sitting there. Look at all the stuff sitting here. Old axles. Let's go check out that engine. Big beam there. Not sure what that would be out of. Sitting there a long time though, you can tell. Oh, it's a GM. Whatever it was for. That wouldn't be a Detroit, would it? I know GMs used Detroits at one time. Well guys, we're gonna have to call her a day. So until next time, thanks for watching.